property taxes paid through closing date?
Everything, everything, property taxes, all up to date of the closing will be paid at escrow. Let me explain, because I know you do more deals through auction. The difference between people that getting foreclosed at auction and people who are going through simple process closing is that the sellers basically choosing to realize the issue and then just sell it or close it or be done with it. The people who basically wait to auction, those people basically they're kind of like stay in denial and just ignoring and basically fighting all pretty much all over. You do pay at the auction, right? You get the property. There's no insurance, there's no title insurance. You don't know what's the title situation is.